Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. This morning I'd like to look at my trading day today and make a plan. That's why we call this channel the Stock Planner channel. Making the plan. Get it? Picture of a lake. Very smooth. Not a ripple. That's kind of like the trading day yesterday. There wasn't much movement in the market. Let's have a look. The NASDAQ ended a little down yesterday with the Dow and the S&P 500 a little up. These are small numbers, not much change. Mixed day, lots of green, some red, but not much change. Even the big boys. We had some big boy green and big boy red. Energy was back in the picture, and real estate was the biggest loser. Technology not far behind. Oil in the picture. OPEC meeting is being watched. Lower U.S. inventories of oil could cause the price to go up based on what the OPEC is doing. Jobless claims this morning. President Xi is flexing his muscles, warning countries not to mess with it, especially in areas concerning Taiwan. And we started a new quarter 3. Stocks seem to be a little higher. Let's take a look. Using TradingView, NASDAQ seems to be down just a little bit. These are small numbers. The RUT up a little, the Dow down a little, and the S&P down a little bit this morning. Can't read anything in those numbers. I have a Discord chat. It's free. I put out my trading plan. We'll take a look at these, a couple of these. These are stocks that I look at in my search for swing trades. I put a video out last night on FCX. It's an agricultural play, and this is a copper play. The first one I'd like to look at, and I already have a position in RTX, which is Raytheon. Nice long trend up, and if you bought every time you had a green in that long trend, you would have won. Now we have a pullback. The zigzag still knows what it's doing. We usually like to wait till it doesn't know what it's doing. We have a green bar here. MACD says go up. Stochastic RSI says go up, and so does the RSI. I took a position back here. This still looks like a long trade to me, even though you got some false signals here. RTX is a buy. Pharmaceutical play. Nice swings. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing right now. Crossed over, drawing imaginary dot there. Seeing something that's not there, but draw it in there anyway. Crossover for the stochastic RSI, and the RSI is pointing up. Is it it's time? I like ABBV. Carnival Cruise Line has not been good to me, but it's a nice swing and stop. We have a swing up and a swing down. Zigzag does know what it's doing, so we usually like to wait. MACD says up. Stochastic RSI looking like it could go up. It's in the oversold position, and the RSI was oversold and coming back around over the 30. We like to see that. Carnival Cruise Line for a buy. Looks good, but maybe I'll wait a day because, like I said, Carnival Cruise Line hasn't been good to me. And there was this recent situation in England about the COVA. Just be careful. Do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation anyway. My system received the signal, and I'm just telling you about it. Short swinging. Checkpoint software has been in the news all over the place. Been hot stock. Stochastic RSI came below its oversold condition and come back around. RSI seems to be dropping, but hey, we can see something going up soon. And there looks like a crossover here. Imaginary dot. Looks like that support. Resistance is somewhere up here. 50% retracement is somewhere in here. Possibly going to 118. Trading at 116. I think checkpoint software is still a play. The job of a swing trader is to catch these major swings and using some indicators down here to do that. Zigzag does not know what it's doing. You can't use zigzag as an indicator. When it doesn't know what it's doing and the last was down, that means it probably thinking about going up. The MACDs doesn't tell you anything there. Stochastic RSI is in the oversold condition, and so is the RSI, looking like it's going up. Delta Airlines. Are people traveling more? Yes, they are. Are we coming in our summer season? Yes, we are. Looks like an earnings coming up very soon. I think Delta Airlines is a buy. This is the 3D printing stock. We see a long road down. MACD is saying it looks like it's going down yet. Stochastic RSI says it's going down, and the RSI says it's oversold and maybe it coming back around. This is one to watch, but this long downward trend is not good, but it is on a support level. And so if you think the support is going to hold, then it has no place to go but up. 3D printing play, DM. And the last thing I'd like to talk about, last stock, is FMC, which is an agricultural chemical herbicide type stock. Very boring. I did a video on it last night. Catch that video. Please like and subscribe that video. Anyway, we have an imaginary dot here of the MACD going up. It's way below the zero line. Stochastic RSI swinging around, going up above, even though it's imaginary. And the RSI has an imaginary crossover here. It's kind of early. Looks like there's some sort of support here. This is already trading below its 50%, so it's retraced more. Is it still going to go down, or is it going up? Anyway, I think this is going up. It's a nice safe stock. A little boring. I've set alert for when the RSI crosses over. Right here, FMC. It's an active alert, and crossing up over the 30. When this comes back around, I'm going to take a position. Well, that's all I have for you. Check out my Discord, Stock Planner. It's free. And some of the many other videos on my YouTube channel. Man, this guy has a big head. That's because he has these fancy cars. Remember, if you follow the Stock Planner channel, you'll get rich too. Or maybe not. Actually, I think a better idea is to do your own due diligence. Learn how to do these trades. Learn how to find your own stocks. Plan out your trades. Take little wins. Be consistent. And then maybe you can get a big head. No, maybe you can get a big car. Like and subscribe. Happy trading today. Yesterday was flat, like a clear, still lake. And maybe today it'll be a little more exciting. Catch you on the flip.